Lifetime warranty. Wipe-able material for easy spot cleaning with soap and water. Interior computer sleeve so you're school ready. Large size built with durable material. Padded shoulder straps and padded back panel for total comfort. Top reviews from the United States. Great backpack, as always Adidas. I bought this for work, and it works great. I wanted a cheap but stylish backpack, and I was looking at random Chinese brands on Amazon, but they all had reviews saying they would fall apart or not fit my big water bottle. So I went for this one instead since it was on sale for about the same amount. I have a large 36-ish Oz bottle and it fits fine in this backpack. I have used this bag to take my work laptop, an MSI workstation, and my personal laptop, a big Dell G7 gaming laptop, home at the same time, including chargers and mice and a cooling fan pad. With these things, the bag weighed probably more than 15 or 20 pounds. It shows no sign of tears or other damage yet. I've been using it since November 2021. I'll try to update this if it gets damaged in the future. Good variety of pockets, stands up relatively easily.